truck. Just leaving home.
Going to get some sled skis?
Going to get a sled. Today's the day. We'll definitely show you when we get there.
It'll be a greasy old time, Bob.
Yeah, drop a comment down below if you guys want to see some snowmobile videos. We got a lot of sleds this year, so hopefully we can make some good content for you. Until we get there. Boys, I think we're getting close. A little white out there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think he's afraid to break it, honestly. He wants to make it nice. I do the same, you know, you gotta get some packy snow before you start ripping on them big ones.
He wants to sell these now, and the fact that he is what he wants. The guy reversing that thing, you know. What's he pulling it around for?
He's used to 1990s sleds, probably.
He's just looking to buy some wheelers, because you know, we can wheel up here.
We've got,
from here.
we've all got wheelers.
Yep. Have you never been riding up here at all?
No, I haven't gone riding up here.
Fuck, man. We got 500 miles up here with this trail.
Really?
This is the main core of the trail. Yeah.
we made it back to the shop with the sled, 03 Rev, and come into this project. What do you think? We got the blaster torn right down. I mean, look at no plastics, no handlebars. I mean, we're gonna get there eventually. Taking off this broken, whatever that is. We don't need that anymore.
Grab handle.
Grab handle. But some plastic seat, you know, whatever, intake box.